Hello and welcome to another episode of Kuma's Kitchen, and today we have creamy rum and banana pudding. Yes. Look at that. Isn't that nice? That is thick and creamy. It's been chilling in the fridge for a while after I made it. And now, some banana puddings are made with sliced pieces of banana. I don't make banana pudding that way. I smoosh up my bananas nice and creamy. I want a creamy, smooth banana pudding, and I want a bit of a taste of rum in there. So that's what we got here. Look at that. Oh yeah. Oh. And you could definitely taste the rum in there. And then you got the banana. It's just, yeah, this is a nice little dessert. Definitely. All right. Let's go to the kitchen and make this right now. So the ingredients for this pudding are very simple. There are only 4 ingredients here. Let's go over them. Of course, our main ingredient at the back here is the bananas. And now we want the bananas. I've left these unpeeled so you can see. We want them with the brown spots. We want them to be ripe. You don't want the bananas too hard. These got to be easy to squash up. So we got 3 bananas. I've got a half a can. That's a can like this, right? That's my, I get the Nestle Mocha, I'm not too sure how to say that, but anyways, it's the sweetened condensed milk, Eagle brand, anything like that will work. I used to use Eagle brand a lot in Canada. All right, so half that can is in here. Then I've got a 1/4 cup of dark rum, and that's my favorite, my Myers rum. Love this stuff. It's got that little bit of a molassesy flavor to it. It's good and strong rum. Perfect. And then at the back here, I've got 1.5 cups of heavy cream. It's 35% butterfat cream. Now, really important because it is a bit warm still. It's, even in here, it's really hot outside. I've chilled down everything. The glasses are chilled. The cream is chilled. The bowl that we're going to be mixing in is chilled. The beaters are chilled. Because what we're going to do is we want to make sure that we can get this beating quickly and easily. First, let's put those to one side. First what I want to do is mush up the bananas. And that is a technical word, mushing. So take a fork. And all you do is just peel each banana off, pop them on here, get rid of the string there, we go. All right, and then just taking a fork, away we go. This is really satisfying actually. You go across here and squish, 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 squish. Go back and forth, like crisscross it a bit so that you get it nicely smashed up. There we go. Now you don't get it 100% smashed up, it's okay, a little texture is alright, but basically we want to get it pretty creamy. Look at that. That is looking really good. All right, I'm going to quickly do the rest of them. All right, that's looking good. Those are ready. Put the bananas off to one side. Now what I want to do, got a bowl here. I want to put that condensed milk in here. Let's just use a spoon to help get all of that goodness out of there. I love condensed milk. I don't know about you guys. I put condensed milk in my coffee at home. Don't have to add any sugar. Just put a little condensed milk in there, and away you go. I love coffee that way. I think, if I remember correctly, it's a Vietnamese thing too. Vietnamese coffee, I think they do that. Probably where I first learned it a long time ago. Solid coffee somewhere done that way. Very good. All right, so I've got all the condensed milk in there. Yeah. All right. Little confession, I have actually sat down and eaten a whole can of condensed milk. Not something you should do all the time, but hey. All right, add in the rum. And now I'm just going to whisk that rum and condensed milk together. That's good. Now the condensed milk's good. See, it's getting more liquid. All right, that's good. And then let's oh, Let's be klutzy. All right, let's get the banana in there. Alright, so that's the bananas all in there. Just actually use the fork for mixing that up. So I'm just going to mix that in. So now we've got in here, we've got our condensed milk, rum, and banana. Alright, next we need to make our whipped cream. Oh, that is very good. Alright, so let's put that off to one side. Let's grab that bowl. Still cool? Yeah, still good enough. Okay, that's nicely chilled, so let's put that in there. And that in there. Alright. And then, gonna beat this until we get stiff peaks. We want it pretty thick and heavy because that's gonna lighten it up again. Alright. That's it. Take a little bit because it's warm in here. That's a big problem when you're whipping whipped cream. I actually at one point quickly put it back to chill a bit more because it just was taking a while to come together. It's warm. So if you get that problem, just chill everything up a bit some more. That will really help. Oh, this is looking good. You know. We always had a rule in my house that whoever did the beating got to lick the beaters because there's a lot of work beating, but then you got the reward. I'll have another one after. All right, what are we gonna do now? That off to one side. Gonna fold the banana rum condensed milk mixture into the whipped cream. This is gonna liquefy it a little bit again, but that's okay because we're gonna chill everything after this. Alright, so look at that. I gotta fold that in. Alright, now I start mixing a bit. Oh, that is looking absolutely fantastic. Alright, bring all that flavor throughout. Once it's all nicely mixed, I've got 4 ramekins over on the side here. Let's put those up front and you see them. Alright. What I'm going to do is going to divvy this up amongst the 4 ramekins. So away we go. Pour some in there. Some in there. Oops, I got a little messy on that last one. Alright, that's a little too much. Alright, so even that out. So we add just a little bit more to some of these because we've got a bit left. Oh, that's going to be perfect. A bit in here. A bit more of this one. And there we go. Oh, you know what's going to happen here. Could have got a big mouth. This spoon wouldn't fit. I've been told I have a big mouth, but in other contexts. Alright. So what I'm going to do with these, settle those down a little bit. Going to cover them and chill them. And then for dessert tonight. Alright. If you like this recipe, and trust me, you're going to like this recipe. Then, make sure you stick around and check out more of the original Kevin Riley recipes here on Kuma's Kitchen. Also, be sure to subscribe if you're not yet subscribed, and click that notification bell, because that's what makes sure that you get to see when new recipes come out, which, well, they come out every week, and you never know what's going to be next. All right, now go make this and make cooking fun again with Kuma's Kitchen.